Today I showed you how to make a deluxe waffle. It's one of my favorite innovations since I've been here at Northwestern. So first, what you do is you make yourself a waffle. So you have to pour out the waffle mix into that little cup, and then you pour it onto the waffle maker and close it and turn it around, and then you have to wait for 2.5 minutes. And then when your waffle is done, you can crumble up like a brownie and put it on top. And then you take some Nutella and spread that on your waffle. And then you put ice cream on top. It feels just so beautiful. It's like an orgasm in your mouth.